So today I am doing this super easy Christmas glam tutorial. So I'm going to show you guys my dress and everything at the end of the video. And today I am using pretty much all drugstore things. This Jaclyn Hill palette I had, and I know a lot of people have it, so I figured I'd do this makeup look using this. So if you guys want to see how to get this Christmas glam, then just keep watching. right, I have my hair all curled. I'm gonna put it in the back. I got this necklace and these earrings at Walmart. They're super cheap. It was $10 for this. And then this dress I got off Amazon. I will show you at the end of this video and probably at the beginning of the video. So lips, I'm taking Rimmel London's Exaggerate Full Lip Color in the color Rabbit. All right, so I messed up on the lip liner, but I'm gonna go in with Maybelline New York Super Stay 24 color in the color All Day Pretty. All right, then I'm taking Stilla's Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in Note. I think that's how you say it. I just put that on the edges of my lips and then I just blended it in with my finger. Now I'm using that like, it's like a little chapstick thing from the Maybelline over everything. I hate red lipstick though, I cannot pull it off. So yeah, that was the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope I don't have anything in my teeth. I feel like I should just talk like this so I don't get anything in my teeth. So yeah, now I'm gonna show you guys my dress and everything. All right, so this is the dress. It hangs off, here, wait, let me go. This maybe, it hangs off the shoulders. It's really, really cute. The back's longer than the front. I just love this dress so much, it's so cute. And I just paired it with some little ballerina flats and around so I can see. And then this necklace I got from Walmart with these earrings. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this glam video. I'm gonna have this up. This is the exact outfit and everything I'm gonna be wearing for Christmas Eve. So when I do my vlog, you will see me in this exact makeup and dress and everything. Thank you guys so much.